How do you know if you're allergic to cats? I'm Dr. Manan Shah. I'm an ENT and allergist here at Wyndly Health. If you think you might have a cat allergy, it's usually because you're having symptoms around the cat. So what'll happen is when the cat protein, FeLD1, is inhaled into your nose, or you breathe it in through your mouth, or it goes in your eyes, you'll start to have runny nose, watery eyes, sneezing, and even some throat issues. You might have itchy throat, and then if the cat licks you, you might even have hives on your skin. That's how you know you have a cat allergy. Now, the best way to confirm this is through doing either a skin prick test or an allergy blood test, which we offer here on our website. One of the things you can do if you have a cat allergy is try what's called immunotherapy. In immunotherapy, what happens is we expose your body to a small bit of what you're allergic to until over time it becomes desensitized. So we actually have a FeLD1 extract that we can utilize to try to desensitize you to cat allergies. I did it and it really helped me, and now I have less symptoms around cats. So if you'd like to learn more, please subscribe. What are hypoallergenic cats? I'm Dr. Manan Shah. I'm an ENT and allergist here at Wyndly Health. Hypoallergenic cats are cats that are supposed to cause less cat allergies than other cats. So first, what causes a cat allergy? Well, there's a protein called FeLD1. That protein is found in the oil glands of cats' fur and also in their saliva. This is why if you have a cat allergy and it licks you, you can get a rash. So hypoallergenic cats are cats that are going to have less cat FeLD1 and they're going to cause less allergy symptoms. Some of the cats that are going to cause less allergy symptoms are the Siberian cat or the Burmese cat. But in general, most cats are going to cause allergy symptoms. Some of the things you can do to try to avoid cat allergy symptoms are getting your cat groomed frequently so the oils wash away. You can use an air purifier to try to bring some of the cat dander out of the air. You can try to keep the cat out of your bedroom, which is going to obviously decrease the amount of exposure you have. And lastly, you can try to have wood floors instead of carpets because the cat dander is going to get stuck in soft things like couches, carpets, and curtains. But if all this stuff doesn't work, the best answer is to try something called immunotherapy. The idea behind immunotherapy is an allergist works with you and exposes you to small doses of cat dander until over time your body gets desensitized. I actually did this myself because my wife loves cats and I had a bad cat allergy, and it significantly decreased my cat allergy symptoms. If you'd like to learn more, please subscribe. How do you get rid of a cat allergy naturally? One of the only ways to get rid of a cat allergy naturally is through a technique called immunotherapy. The idea is you expose your body to small doses of what you're allergic to until over time you become desensitized. This can be done in two different ways. The traditional method is through weekly allergy shots at an office, and the more modern technique is through sublingual immunotherapy, which is where you take it under the tongue at home. A lot of people ask, why doesn't this just happen by living with a cat? And I think in some situations it might, but in general we've seen that unless you're doing immunotherapy, you get these varying doses of cat dander, and so it's really hard for the immune system to become retrained. Whereas when you take a standard dose every day under the tongue, over time your body actually just starts learning and you have less symptoms. How do you cure your cat allergies without having to do allergy shots? So for years, the only way that you could get rid of your cat allergy was through either getting rid of your cat or doing allergy shots. But in the 1980s, in the United Kingdom, scientists realized that they could give you the same FDA-approved allergy extract, but if you took it by mouth, using a drop, instead of doing a weekly shot, if you took it daily, you could actually achieve the same effects as the weekly shot, and it actually ended up being safer. They also found that this method worked just as well for dog allergies, for dust, and pollen. How do you get rid of your cat allergy without having to get rid of your cat? I'm Dr. Manan Shah. I'm an ENT and allergist with Wyndly Health. The only clinically proven way of getting rid of a cat or dog allergy is through immunotherapy. What this means is you take an FDA-approved extract and you either inject it weekly into your arm, or you can take it orally as allergy drops. Over time, as you continue to expose your body to small doses of that cat or dog dander, your body becomes desensitized. If you'd like to learn more, please subscribe. Can immunotherapy actually fix your cat allergies? I'm Dr. Manan Shah. I'm an ENT and allergist with Wyndly Health. According to the research, immunotherapy can actually fix your cat allergies for long term. The most recent study was in 2007 in the Journal of Allergy, and it showed that allergy drops actually cause patients to have significantly less allergy symptoms to cats. If you'd like to learn more, please subscribe. How long after you start immunotherapy do you have to wait before you can get a cat or a dog? I'm Dr. Manan Shah. I'm an ENT and allergist with Wyndly Health. Unfortunately, the answer to this question varies. It really depends on how severe your allergies are. But in general, I tell patients that you can wait about 2 to 3 months before you can test out whether you're responding to cats or dogs after you've started your allergy drops or your allergy shots. If you'd like to learn more, please subscribe.